Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to DM on Instagram. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. On the Home tab, tap the Instagram Direct icon at the top right corner. This may look like a paper airplane on the Messenger icon. You'll see a list of your recent conversations. Tap on any conversations to continue messaging that person or group. Just type your message in the text field and tap send. To start a new chat, tap the new messages icon. Use the search bar to type a name or scroll to find suggested users. You can also find Facebook friends if you've linked your accounts. You can send voice messages by tapping the microphone icon, or to send photos or videos, just tap the images icon, or choose from your device or camera icon to take a new one. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.